So we start off with someone who goes from mid-length hair to this gorgeous lob haircut. This one features beautiful tousled waves as well as curtain style bangs. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. She's gonna get her hair transformed to this beautiful shaggy haircut. Loving the pop of purple that she has going here. It looks absolutely amazing. Definitely a modern way to rock the shag. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here we have a beautiful light copper bob haircut, followed by another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing another bob for this one. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love her hair color with this bob as well. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another bob haircut transformation for the next style. She has beautiful jet black hair and I am loving this bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with some beautiful burgundy colored hair getting a bob. Such a gorgeous cut and color combination. Absolutely love it. And here we have a gorgeous pixie haircut transformation. Beautiful long bangs with that one. Followed by another bob makeover. Wow, absolutely stunning inverted bob style. So chic and fresh. And then we have a gorgeous blonde bob. This one has a rather unique kind of spiky texture going there in the back. Really adds some interest to the overall style. Very chic and polished. Then we have a bob haircut with bangs. Oh, I love the texture that the stylist added with this one. Really gives it a nice rocker chic kind of vibe. Very pretty. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. Oh, another gorgeous bob. This one features an asymmetrical bang. Beautiful. And we have another gorgeous pixie cut. Wow, absolutely stunning. And then we see this gorgeous shaven blonde style. And then this gorgeous ginger bob. So I hope that you guys were able to find some inspiring hairstyles within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see even more inspiring hot hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.